Lesson plan for adolescents. This topic will be daily routines for the level A2. I'm gonna start with the warm up. For this activity, we need 10 minutes. The main objective of this activity is to improve and to achieve a better performance of the different skills in English through some specific activities for each one of them. Furthermore, the learning about present simple, that will be the grammar topic, and its right structure. So, the teacher asks to his students about the daily activities that they usually do before and after the go class. This will be that the class will be more interesting and motivate to the students. Then, in order to get vocabulary, the teacher proposes to develop a word search puzzle for continue the next activities knowing the words. We need some photocopies and color pencils. The next activity will be the presentation. In this activity, the teacher presents the topic and explains the grammatical rules for the present simple. In this section, he talks about how to construct sentences, questions, and answers. He clarified doubts and then he gives to his students a reading with some exercises about the topic. So the students have to read text and answers the questions given. We need for this activity near to 20 minutes, and we need some photocopies, pencils, erasers, and dictionaries. Then, next activity is the practice. And this activity, the teacher asks to his students watching a video where is presented a daily routine. The students should be attentive and listening with care in order to answer some questions about it. And this activity will be assessed the skill of listening. We need near to 15 minutes to carry out it. Next activity is the production. So the teacher asks to his students to write their own daily routine, and after that he also asks them that students should try to speak a short speech about their text. This activity we need near 15 minutes to carry out it. We need sheets, pencils, erasers, and dictionaries. And this activity will be assessed the writing skill and speaking skill. Finally, the assessment. The teacher asks to his students to do some exercises at home, practicing the construction of sentences, questions, and answers in different forms. Will be negative, affirmative, short, and complete answers. The vocabulary will be also assessed. This is the end to this activity. Now I'm going to present the lesson plan for adults and the level B1. The topic will be natural disasters. The main objective of this activity is to achieve and to develop all the English skills through the practice with activities that motivate and increase the learning of them. Um, I forget to say that both activities um, I will apply the learning strategy, learning based on task. So I'm gonna start with the warm up, and this activity we need near near 15 minutes. The teacher talks about disasters that had happened in the world. Then he asks to his students about their own experiences with this type of phenomena. After that, he gives to his students a crossword with vocabulary about this topic. So the students have to identify the keywords given and searching in their dictionaries the correct meaning. We need some photocopies, pencils, erasers, and dictionaries. The next activity will be the presentation. The teacher presents the grammar topic past simple and explains structures for constructing sentences, questions, and answers. Then he clarified doubts and he answers questions about it. After that, he gives to his students a text in which they will should read and answer some question about that. For this activity, we need photocopies, pencils, and erasers. The next activity will be the practice. So the teacher shows a video about a real disaster in the city of Europe. The students should watch and listening with special care that events that happen there for answering some questions about that. And this activity will be assessed the listening skill. We need a projector, some pencils, and pieces of paper. Finally, in the production, we need 15 minutes to carry out it. The teacher asks to his students to write a brainstorm and memories that students have lived or witnessed in their district or countries. They will have to prepare a brief speech about that experience. So we will assess the writing skill and the speaking skill. We need some pencils, sheets, erasers. This activity will take us near 15 minutes. Finally, the assessment. The students should prepare an essay about big catastrophes in the world using the past simple and the vocabulary learned. That's all. Thank you for hearing me, and until next.